Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Students, this is question number 3, 2015 NEET physics paper. Hello students, let us solve question number 3 of NEET physics paper 2015. Which of the following figures represent the variation of particle momentum and the associated de Broglie wavelength? So the relation between the momentum and wavelength, lambda for de Broglie wavelength is given by the Planck's constant times divided by the momentum. So h is always a constant, so lambda varies inversely with p. This relation is like y. If I take y and x here, y is inversely proportional to x. If I have this type of graph, then the graph will be a rectangular hyperbola. Y inversely proportional to x is rectangular hyperbola. So from here I can write p is inversely proportional to lambda. So if I take p in y-axis and lambda in x-axis, then this graph also will be rectangular hyperbola. This graph nature is this is the very common graph we generally encounter in physics. So this is a rectangular hyperbola, and this one is the correct option. So option number 4 is correct. Thank you.